Are you 40 years old and you haven't yet owned your home? Are you drowning in debt? Are you spending money that you haven't even earned as yet? Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Well, if you have answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. Stick around. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner. And on this channel, we take the holistic approach to life empowerment through growth, balance, and financial freedom. Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk about 6 different streams of income that you can start doing right now, even with your full-time job, so that you can get out of debt. You can save towards that down payment to purchase your first home, and you can stop living paycheck to paycheck and get on the right track of your financial independence journey. Are you ready for it? Drop yes in the comment and let's get right now. The first income stream that you can start doing even with your full-time job is to create an online course. Yes, I know you have some skills, you have some gifts, you have some knowledge, expertise in your head. You can monetize that. You can create a course from your skills, your expertise, doing something that you're really passionate about. You put it on a platform like Skillshare, like Teachable, and you put a price to it, you market it, and you promote it. That's as easy as it is. And you can start getting money even in your sleep, because this is a passive stream of income. Minimal requirement. So it will take time for you to set this course up, to brainstorm to see what you want to put in this course and the niche, who is this course for, and the platform and all those things. I've done a full video on how you can create your first online course. Go check it out right here. Second stream of income that you can start doing right now in order to save for your home down payment or even to get out of debt is to start affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? It is marketing and promoting other people's products that you are using and you are enjoying. One of the most common ones is Amazon. I'm sure that you have ordered something from Amazon in the last week, maybe during Christmas, maybe during this sale that's going on here. Did you know that that product that you bought, you can just talk about it, how you like it, and do a review on it and put it into Amazon Associate Affiliate Program. You have to sign up for it, of course, but that's how easy it is to create videos. You upload them and Amazon pays you a proportion when somebody watches your videos and they buy this product, right? You have products sitting in your house. I've done a video also on how you can start affiliate marketing, and I will leave it right here so you can go check it out after watching this video. Third income stream that you can start right now to start saving some money to get out of debt and start your financial freedom journey is to start a YouTube channel. And if you know me by now, you know this is one of my favorite side hustle ideas, because you are just putting the camera on and you're just talking to the camera, right? So if you are an introvert like me, you don't like to, go out, meet, greet, and sell people stuff, then this is a perfect way of start making some passive income with your full-time job. Now you're gonna find what you're interested in sharing with the public, teaching, maybe educating, or showing your journey, your stories, what you've been through, or you overcome something through life experiences. It can be a variety of topics. There are so many different niches here on YouTube. And if you don't know really how to start your YouTube channel, again, I've done a video. You can go and check it out right here. This is my third year going into YouTube, and it is one of my favorite source streams of income, because I get to talk to people, I get to talk to you, I get to share experiences, knowledge, things that I've been through, my career transition from nurse to realtor, so many different things. And a lot of time I know people want to start YouTube channels, but they're so fearful on how to get started. They don't know what to talk about. Just start posting stuff and you will find your niche along the way. This is 2025. Write it down in your planner, in your journal. Give yourself a date of when you're going to start. Write it down right now. Better yet, drop it in the comments. Let me know when you're planning to start your YouTube channel, because I want to see you succeed and I want to cheer you on. Fourth income stream that you can start right now with your full-time job to start saving some extra money is to write and publish a book. Now, if you've been through something in life, you want to share something with others to learn from, think about writing a book. Think about sharing that story. Maybe you have been jotting down in your journal. Maybe you have 10, 15, 20 journals with this life experience. Put it in a book. Market it and promote it. This book can help somebody through that thing that you have been through. And it is, in this time and age, it is so easy to self-publish a book. And you know what? Yes, I've also done a video about this because I myself have written and self-published my own book. It is available on Amazon and you can do that too. Now, before we go on to the fifth income stream that you can create, let me know if you're liking this video by hitting the like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you will see when the next video drops. Now, number 5 is speaking engagement. You are a professional. You're a teacher. You have been through something. You have paid so much money to go to school, to learn this career, to get this knowledge. Why don't you charge for it? Charge for your intellectual property. You like to speak. Your dream is to always be on a public stage speaking to people. Why don't you make that vision a reality? Make that dream a reality. Come on, we're in 2025, a brand new year, a perfect time to create another stream of income. Now, unfortunately, I didn't do a video about this one, but I'm sure there's a lot of information here on YouTube on how you can start public speaking, getting paid for your intellectual property. And maybe you can start off small, maybe in your community, in churches, on a topic that you're very familiar with. For example, if you're a nurse, I'm a mental health nurse. And if you're really knowledgeable, in a specific area, whether it's nursing, teaching, whatever the profession is, start doing free speech, maybe at church, at small events, community events. Start volunteering, offering your service to say, hey, I can give a little TED talk about this, about diabetes, about hypertension, about mental health, and stuff like that. So you can get yourself out there. And then when persons start asking you, then you put a price on it. Start charging them for your information, knowledge, and experience that you've learned along the way. Does this sound like you? Let me know in the comment by typing speaker. Now, the last income stream that you can create with your full-time job is paid membership. Now, imagine having a group of people who share the same values, who share the same, like a mastermind group, right? This can be teaching something, whether you're an artist, whether you are about fashion, whether you're about makeup, whether you're about starting a business also. Whatever interests, skills, gifts that you know other persons are interested in, start a membership about it. It can be life coaching also. You are the person people come to ask you for guidance, to ask you questions. Put it out there. Start a membership group for life coaching. If you are a nutritionist, start a membership group for healthy eating. If you're a fitness expert, start a membership group about losing 10 pounds in the next 10 days or something like that. Is that even possible? But start a group for like-minded individuals that they are willing to pay you a monthly membership group from. And you know, the best thing about this one, it is a recurring income coming in. So if you have 10 people in it and you charge $100 per month, that's $1,000 you're looking for, knowing specifically this amount is coming in every month, right? So it is a scalable business, and it is one that you can do at your own timing with your full-time job. Now, if this video was any way or form helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.